Where would you go to find a wide range of information about initiatives to sustain New Zealand's natural environment? In this age of heightened environmental awareness, many organisations such as schools, community groups, environmental organisations and government agencies are undertaking successful initiatives, and interesting environmental research is being done. There are a lot of environmental stories out there, but they're located in many different places. Landcare Research is striving to make that information more accessible by developing an interactive website called OurFuture, where people can publish stories about their work improving our natural environment and related resources. With 8 organisations on board, OurFuture has now been launched.
Our future is designed to create connections between people and projects, and between the research undertaken by organisations like ours and the actions of others. And I think there's real value in pulling that information together.
Yeah, so for example, QE2 has covenanted wetlands across New Zealand, so you might hear about one of those wetlands and go and read about it on Our Future, and from there you can find information about wetlands where there's been research undertaken by Landcare Research, and also you might want to go and read the Wetland Restoration Handbook.
So that content could come from an array of sources and could be useful for schools, community groups, anyone interested in wetland restoration, management agencies, a wide range of potential users.
And over time we'd like to use the site to aggregate information to show how we're moving towards sustaining our natural environment.
With Our Future, it's easy to publish and find information. Chris McDowell of Landcare Research, who has led the development, explains the site's 2 key features.
One is the way that we've tried to weave together both the narrative, the story, using text and images and video. So that's something which a lot of places do, but what we've tried to do is fold into that maps and mapping, and the ability for the contributors to put their story into some sort of geographic context. The other thing which I think makes it different from other stuff that we looked at during the development process is the way that we've got the ability for lots of different organisations to have lots of different contributing authors and pull them all together into this single site. So we've got the Landcare part to it, the WWF part to it, the DOC, the EnviroSchools parts to it, all these different sort of little sections of the site where each organisation manages their own people, but they come together into one big thing.
We want Our Future to become a comprehensive resource. If you have interesting stories about how your group, school or organisation is working to build Our Future, go to the site and click on Contact Us. We look forward to having you on board and helping you publish your stories.